Now, the Aam Aadmi Party is claiming that many of their leaders will be targeted by central agencies. Arvind Kejriwal has taken to social media to claim, according to his reliable sources, that the CBI will actually be raiding Manish Sisodia's residence in the next few days. Arvind Kejriwal has said, according to my reliable sources, Sisodia will be raided. And the reason he says this is happening is because the BJP is fearing that they will lose the Delhi elections, and that's why, according to him, there will be arrests, there will be raids on AAP leaders. We've seen, of course, a whole saga of this playing out in the run-up also to the election season in Delhi, with Arvind Kejriwal himself being behind bars, currently out on bail, and a multitude of AAP leaders who faced, in fact, investigations by central agencies, who've gone behind bars and have come out. Manish Sisodia also being one of them. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us with more details on this. Shreya, the Aam Aadmi Party, of course, has repeatedly said that there's a witch hunt against them. Central agencies are being used against them. Now Arvind Kejriwal seems to be suggesting that Manish Sisodia will be targeted again.
Yes, Akshita, this is a statement that's coming from Arvind Kejriwal. Just a few days back, he'd initially suggested that Atish's residence would be raided. She'll be coming under the radar of the CBI, and now he's suggesting that it's Manish Sisodia who's also going to be receiving the flack of the investigative agency. This is also interesting because of the timing of what's happening in the national capital. It's due to the elections, and the Aam Aadmi Party and BJP has already entered a heated contest. So far as any independent investigation from the side of the agency, the investigation in the liquor scam is ongoing, but clearly the statement looks like more political because it could be a way of Aam Aadmi Party bringing back the CBI jibe into the Delhi election picture.
Okay, Shreya, who tracks the agencies for us, tells that yes, these cases are ongoing, but nothing really that suggests that right now there's going to be an immediate raid by the CBI against Manish Sisodia. This has long been, of course, a poll campaign by the Aam Aadmi Party to say central agencies are being misused by the BJP to also counter all of these allegations of personal corruption that the BJP is putting forth. Thanks very much, Shreya, for joining us with all of those details.